Hey friends, today I'm excited to share with you 14 of my favorite cleaner, non-toxic skincare and makeup products. Personal products made with clean ingredients is really important to me for a number of reasons, and one of those is that I was diagnosed with an autoimmune condition many years ago, and ever since then it's been really important that I not only focus on the foods that I eat, but also the ingredients that are in my personal products, my home cleaning products, and my lifestyle overall to help keep my autoimmune condition in remission. My skin is also so much happier when I use products with simple ingredients, with more natural ingredients. My skin definitely breaks out and gets irritated when I use items that have fragrance or other irritants in them. So if you have sensitive skin, it's also a really good idea to switch to simpler, cleaner products. Just like nutrition, skincare and makeup is not one size fits all. Today I'm sharing with you some of my favorites, but as always, it may take a little trial and error, as it did for me, as it may for you, to find the products that work best for you. Ultimately, I love helping women make the switch to cleaner products, whether it's using the same products that I use or something else that may be a better fit for you. I will be linking all of the products that I mentioned today in the video description box below, as well as some discount codes that I have to share with you. If you have any questions about these products or you just want to chat skincare or makeup in general, just leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Healthy Grocery Girl. And now let's get started. My first favorite is this cleansing oil. It's a cleanser from Primally Pure. This cleansing oil is made with just 10 simple organic ingredients, and I love that it nourishes and supports my natural skin barrier, which is really important for helping your skin stay hydrated and preventing dry skin. Not all cleansing oils are created equal. You want to make sure that your cleansing oil has really high quality oils, which is important to help prevent your skin from breaking out. Another thing that I love about this cleansing oil is that I don't have to splash water on my face. It's one of my least favorite things about cleansing my face is when you get water and it drips down your arms and it's all over the place. So for me, I use this cleansing oil, I put a little pump in my hand, I massage it into my face, and then I take a washcloth and add some water and just gently kind of pat and wipe away the cleanser and any makeup from the day. I do have a discount code for Primally Pure. It is HGG10 for 10% off. My next favorite is the Soothing Serum, also from Primally Pure. Since having kids, a lot of things have changed, including my skin, and my skin tends to have more redness and be more on the dry side. This Soothing Serum is really great for helping to calm redness and irritation, and I just put 3 drops a day on the palm of my hand, and I pat it on my skin gently after cleansing, and so this serum will last you a really long time because you're just using a little bit each day. So next is this Everything Spray. It's a heal and tone spray. It's like a toner. It's also from Primally Pure. And what I will do is I will cleanse my face. I will spritz a little bit of this on my face, then add my serum and then my moisturizer. And I really love this. It's very gentle, but I do find that it also helps my skin with any kind of redness or irritation that I may be experiencing. So next, let's talk about moisturizers. I have a few here that are my favorites that I'm going to share with you. The first 2 are from Beautycounter, and this is from the Counter Match line. There's the AM Moisturizer, which is the Adaptive Moisture Lotion, and then the PM Before Bed Moisturizer, which is the Recovery Sleeping Cream, and this is thicker and more hydrating while you sleep. All of the products from the Counter Match collection from Beautycounter are designed for those who experience more dryness, more redness. I've been using both of these for quite a while and I really love them. But a new moisturizer that I just started using because I was really curious about it and I wanted to try was this Blue Tansy Beauty Cream from Primally Pure. This beauty cream contains just 5 ingredients, and it is designed to nourish your skin without clogging pores, soothe inflammation, and help reduce the appearance of aging. I've just been using this moisturizer for about a week, although by the time this video posts, it'll be longer than that. But so far, my skin with using this moisturizer is very happy. I would say that this moisturizer is very calming. It's very gentle. So if you are looking for a very simple, gentle moisturizer, this would be a good option, and just a little bit goes a long way. So next, let's talk about deodorant. Beautycounter and Primarily Pure both have deodorants that are both great, and they're non-toxic, made with clean ingredients, free from aluminum, free from parabens. I have personally been using the Primarily Pure deodorant for a long time, so that's the one that I use and that I stick with. Clean, non-toxic deodorant is really important because it's applied right in your underarm next to multiple major lymph nodes. One ingredient that's common in conventional deodorants that we want to stay away from is aluminum. And aluminum is often used as an antiperspirant to help block sweat. However, we don't really actually want to block our sweat. I know people don't want to sweat, but blocking sweat is actually not healthy, and aluminum has been linked to Alzheimer's disease and breast cancer. Other ingredients that are commonly found in conventional deodorants include parabens and talc, which both have been known to be endocrine disruptors. Even some deodorants that claim to be natural or more pure, when you read the ingredient list, you see the word fragrance. The Environmental Working Group has discovered that 75% of products that contain fragrance, when tested, contain carcinogenic ingredients. Essentially, it's a good idea to switch to a cleaner and more natural deodorant, and always read the ingredient lists. And it's good to find brands that you trust and that really do have a passion and mission for being very natural, clean, non-toxic. For example, Primarily Pure or Beautycounter, those are the two brands that I really love and use a lot, and especially for a product that you're going to be using every single day. So another product that I love is dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is just a saver because I don't know about you, but I don't wash my hair every single day. I have really, really thick hair, and it feels like a chore to wash my hair and then dry my hair, and it's like a whole thing. So I wash my hair just a couple times a week, which actually is supposed to be better for your hair and healthier for your hair. But on those days where I feel like, ooh, my hair looks a little greasy, but I don't really want to wash it, I use dry shampoo. And this is the one I use from Primarily Pure. It's great. I'm not going to sprinkle it now because it'll probably get everywhere, but it has these little holes. You just sprinkle it in your hair, and essentially the powder helps to absorb the excess oil, and your hair looks fresh and new, and it's just a wonderful, beautiful thing. Okay, so those are some of my skincare personal product favorites, and now I want to share with you some of my makeup favorites. So this is my favorite foundation. It is from Beautycounter. It is the Skin Twin Foundation, and it comes in many, many shades. And this one's almost out. I just bought a new one, so you can see the color a little bit better. But it's very lightweight, but good coverage. It feels very breathable. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey, and it's also buildable. So if you need a little bit more coverage, if you have areas that you're just trying to cover a little bit more, it's easy to do so without looking caked on or super heavy. And I find that it just matches my skin very well. They have so many different shades, which really does help when you're trying to find the right shade for your skin tone. This foundation also has some great benefits other than just being a foundation. It contains hyaluronic acid, which has been known to help visibly plump and soothe skin, and it also can help to minimize the appearance of fine lines over time. Next is my go-to concealer, which is also from Beautycounter. This is the Skin Twin Creamy Concealer, and I love it for a number of reasons. One, it's really easy to complement and match your shade with your foundation. It also does not crease, it doesn't crack. It lasts well throughout the day. It has really good coverage, and I find that the consistency is also great. It's not too watery, it's not too thick. It's just a great concealer. If you've never heard of Beautycounter before, I love them for a number of reasons. They are committed to cleaner, safer products. They have skincare, makeup, hair care. They are Environmental Working Group verified, and they're just a really great company, and they make products, cleaner products that actually work and that perform really well. So next is a really fun product, and it is this brow gel. So this is a brow gel, a tinted brow gel, and it helps to sculpt, shape, and tint your eyebrows. And I feel that a good brow is so important. It really does help you look more awake. It frames and shapes your eyes and your face, and this is a good one. If I'm going for a very simple makeup day, I will use my Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer, my brow gel, and depending on the day, maybe a little lip balm or my sheer conditioning lipstick. And speaking of lipstick, so these are the sheer conditioning lipsticks from Beautycounter. I have two shades, Twig and Terra. Twig is a little bit more of a warm rosy color, and Terra is a little bit more peachy, but they are a great blend between a lip balm and a lipstick. It's not a super bold color, so you're not going to look super made up like you're going out on a night out in the town. But if you want a little bit of color and you want a very conditioning lip balm type product, this is a great option. And I'm actually wearing the color Twig right now. As we move into more of the fall winter months, I tend to like the warmer shades, and in spring and summer I tend to go towards more of the peachy shades. So next is my favorite blush. This is from Beauty Counter. It is the cream blush. It comes in a few different shades. I'm wearing the color Caramel. That's my go-to. I love it because it provides a very dewy, glowy blush look, but it also has multiple uses. You can use it as a blush, you can use it as a cream shadow, or also a lipstick. Last but not least is my favorite mascara. So I have tried a lot of mascaras. You probably can relate. Mascara is a tricky one to get right. Some mascaras, they can flake, they can smudge, they can irritate your eyes, they just don't even look like you're wearing very much mascara. It can be hard to find a mascara that actually works, but one that works and is made with cleaner, safer ingredients. This is the Think Big All-in-One Mascara from Beauty Counter, and it is amazing. A few benefits of this mascara is that it provides volume and length and helps lift your lashes as well as feather them out, so you just have fuller looking lashes. It also includes a primer, so it's an all-in-one, and it has really great buildable coverage without clumping or flaking. It's also a great long wear formula. It's water resistant. It is a vegan product and tested for gluten and soy, and it's also environmental working group verified. I do have some discount codes to share with you. I mentioned our Primarily Pure discount code, which is HGG10 for 10% off. You can also use the code CLEAN4ALL20 to save 20% off your first Beauty Counter order. And I also provide a free copy of our natural beauty guide that includes tips to nourish from the inside out with plant-based recipes as a thank you for those who shop Beauty Counter with me, because I am a Beauty Counter consultant. And it's great to shop with a consultant because I offer special deals from time to time. I can help you with a personal skincare consultation, let you know about upcoming sales and things like that. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. But I did want to mention, because I always want to help you with a discount or a sale, if I can, that I do have some discount codes. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.